Grabe yung pagpapahalaga ko sa mga tao na yun. So lahat ng wala sa video, alam niyo din kung sino kayo. Hindi ko na yun kailangan isa-isahin. Last year was very, very hard time for me. And it's so hard to find real friends in the industry. So eto lang, wala. Pinrove lang nila na, possible pa rin na magkaroon ka ng, makahanap ka ng mabubuting tao sa industriya, on and off cam, and good people. Nandyan sila lahat. And they make my life lighter. They make everything so much better. Up until now, I'm smiling every day. I'm excited to see them. I'm excited to go home to see my family. I'm excited to go out to meet and, hang out with my friends. Sila yung mga nandyan, especially nung pinakakailangan ko sila. So, thank you for staying and thank you for being with me throughout all this. Grabe na talaga to.
We got you, Cav. We got you.
Next to my fans. Alam ko na naging mahirap din sa inyo, especially last year. So many challenges, ang dami nating pinagdaanan. Pero nandito ako, nandito kayo, kaya natin, kinaya, and kakayanin. So don't worry about anything, don't worry about me. Andito pa rin ako, I will continue to make you proud. And maraming salamat kasi, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, inintindi nyo lahat ng mga kailangan ko gawin in mga naging desisyon namin bilang tao, hindi bilang artista. So, yun yung pinaka regalo na mabibigay nyo sa akin. So, thank you for giving me that, freedom to choose what would make me happy.